Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to use single threading in Java. If you like our video, do click the like button and subscribe to our page to be updated on our next coming how-to tutorials. So what is single-threaded processes? Single-threaded processes contain the execution of instructions in a single sequence. In other words, one command is processed at a time. So if we talk about single-threaded processes, instructions are executed in a single sequence. But what do they mean actually? So let's look at this. Okay, let's say we have a public class called threading here. Okay, and then I'm going to start with my public static void main block, which I'm just going to come up with one single line of command, which is just single thread. And we're going to run this program. If you can see, it has printed out single thread. So this is a single threading program. Simple as that. Don't forget to press the bell and subscribe to our channel and tune in to our coming videos, which basically can benefit you in your classroom or wherever you are. Thank you. Bye.